Hello friends, I'm Shreya. In this video, I will show you my favorite earring design. I hope you will like my favorite earring design. My special request, please watch the video till the end. First, we will take 6 pieces 8mm blue color pearls and 6 pieces 5mm pearls. You can see in the video, I alternately take one 8mm blue and one 5mm off-white pearls. To make it, we will use fishing wire. In this time, we will use 3 pieces of 5mm pearls. Again, we will use 3 pieces of 5mm pearls. The earring should look like a flower. You can make a flower as necklace or bracelet also. Then again, I will use 5mm pearls in 3 pieces. In this way, I will continue to add 5mm pearls in 3 pieces. To make this flower, now we will make the middle design of the flower. For the middle design, we will use first 2 pieces of 5mm pearls and 1 pieces of 14mm pearls, and again 2 pieces 5mm pearls. Again take 2 pieces of 5mm pearls. Then again take 2 pieces of 5mm pearls. Then take 3 pieces of 5mm pearls. Again 3 pieces of 5mm pearls. Please like, comment and let me know how you like the design. I request you to subscribe to your jewelry channel Diyartiepie. again take 2 pieces of 5 mm purse. When you make this design, you will really like this flower. Now we will add jump ring and ear hook. Thank you very much for watching our whole video. Please like, comment and please subscribe. I have many friends who watched my video but didn't subscribe. Please do subscribe and support Diyartiepie by sharing the video. Hello friends, I'm Shreya. Through this video, I will make a very beautiful earring design. I will use cotton to make this earring design. We will make a cotton doll earring. Please watch the video till the end. I hope you will love this beautiful design. Take a small cotton ball and make a ball like a marble. Then take a bigger ball of cotton and make a ball again. Then we will make 2 ears of the doll using cotton. I am using fabric glue for this earring. We will use this big ball as the teddy bear or doll face. We will attach the 2 ears. Now we will use 2 seed beads to represent the doll's eyes. Now we will add ear stud. Here we have cut a small square of canvas sheet. Put ear stud. Hope you like this design. Please like, comment, subscribe and support. Thank you so much for watching our full video. Bye bye dear. Hello friends, I'm Shreya. In this video I will show you how to make a very beautiful earring. I used pearls and purple color crystals to make it. I have a request at the beginning of the video. Please watch the video until the end. I hope you like this earring design. At the beginning of the video, I will take 2 pieces 6 mm pearls. Then I will continue to add pearls one by one. Each pearls are 6 mm. Once the chain is made of 5 pearls, now we will continue to add 6 mm pearls using the needle. For the above chain, we've used a total of 5 pearls. To extend the chain just below it, we will use 4 pearls and each pearls of 6 mm. To make the chain below it, we will use 3 pieces 6 mm pearls. We will make this earring in a very simple process. Hope you all like it very much. Crystal. Now we will use 5 pieces of 6 mm pearls and 1 10 mm crystal and 1 5 mm pearl. This time we will use 7 pieces of 6 mm pearls and 1 10 mm crystal and 1 5 mm pearls. This time we will use 9 pieces of 6 mm pearls and one 10 mm crystal and one 5 mm pearl. This time we will use 7 pieces of 6 mm pearls and one 10 mm crystal and one 5 mm pearl. Now we will use 5 pieces of 6 mm pearls and one 10 mm crystal and one 5 mm pearl. Now we will put the ear stud in the earring using glue gun. Please friends, like and comment and let us know how you like our video, and subscribe and support our jewelry channel Diyartiepie.